day 3 trading until max payout. So it's been a few days. Definitely been pretty exhausted from the job. I'm trying to adjust to the hours. It's kind of pain in the ass right now, but I'm still just adjusting. But yeah, I mean, you can see the balance. Like I took a payout. Took it on December 4th. I just turned 23, so I kind of just wanted to take a payout. And I've traded very low balance expresses and combines up to like getting a payout or to the profit target. So with the 1500 balance, I'm not too concerned. I was already at 121, or I already did $121 on Monday, which this is that recording. So I was taking a break and retest on gold. I just been tired as hell. Like I literally missed Tuesday and Wednesday. The schedule is just kind of like all messed up. But yeah, I got a new chair. Definitely getting some better stuff. I kind of want to do a backdrop and then maybe I'll put up some Topstep combine passings. I passed like almost 10 combines this year, but definitely should have more payouts. So yeah, that was the break and retest, and ended up like what, $121 profit. So that was that. And there's been some decent setups on the charts this week. But right now on Russell, we're between a 1 hour supply and 1 hour demand. We look pretty bullish, and I'm kind of just gonna go off of what the 5-minute time frame wants to produce. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. This is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. This is a 5-minute demander here. We actually have 2 of them, but it already is going crazy off this 15-minute demand. So we're just gonna wait and see what we can get. Gold this morning, like I already traded gold on Monday. Gold's definitely had some decent setups this morning. Had a supply, nice little break structure right here off the wick. Tap the zone, and you're already getting a decent runner, like a 1 to 3 this morning. Nice setup. Now you have this demand down here. Definitely could tap into, but this was just extremely choppy. Just literally the EMAs are just right in the middle. It's not very ideal. So I might wait for Russell. No, I'm just waiting on one of these 5-minute demands to tap with a break structure. I need it to break up here, or even with this candle. As long as it shows bullish momentum, like we are right now, this is a strong candle, then this looks good. Like this, the EMAs, the 13 and 50 are pretty close, but that's fine. Bullish movement or bullish momentum just came out. 200 EMAs, perfect spot. So this just looks far better than gold EMAs, obviously. And you don't even need EMAs really to see this. This is just simple. You can see that falling market structure. We shouldn't have broke these lows, but even though we came down to this demand zone, 15-minute demand zone, that's still just fine. We're still in bullish market structure. Now we're anticipating a higher high, so we can retrace and make a higher low after. That's exactly how the supply and demand works. Is just a break structure, pull back, and then take a setup in the favor of that trend. It's the same thing as Fibonacci, just all universal pretty much. But yeah, so this week there's been some beautiful trades like this. Okay, we don't have supply and demand here, but this is so easy to see. Like this is going to be our breaker structure right here. This is London setup, but this is still very clean. So this is our breaker structure. We broke this low off these wicks, even just barely off the candle, but off the wicks mainly. And this would be our supply up here, but we actually don't have one because it has a gap attached to it. And this is really just the start of a trend. Like this is our first break structure, so we're literally just waiting for a pullback to something. Now this will be our supply zone up here, but you can see there's just a lot of wicks here. Clear area of support that got broken. Falling market structure, we broke through it, broke the previous low. So now we can maybe look for a break and retest. Pulls back up there. Take your entry right here, break the candle. Obviously taps this support, turns to resistance with the doji wick. EMAs are in line. They're starting to spread out. This is perfect. Came from consolidation to a break structure, retest. EMA starting to spread. This is perfect, exactly how you want it. 13, 50, 200. VWAP is above. Damn, everything is pumping right now, but this is exactly what you want. I mean, simple. Like, this is such an easy trade. Perfect break and retest. And then Russell yesterday, another break and retest. Consolidation, finally broke these wicks with this little push up right there. Oh my god, Russell's going crazy right now. But it consolidated, rejected this support. It's another break and retest entry. And then yesterday, so last week I kept trying to catch this exact setup on Russell all last week, and I could not catch it because it just kept consolidating. But this is exactly it. So we have our demand zone down here. 930 is right here. So we have a demand zone, break structure, comes back, taps demand zone. This is so easy to see, and this isn't even that quality of supply and demand. But the thing is, it works over and over and over on Russell. So yeah, it is what it is. That I could not catch these setups last week, but as long as they keep coming, we're good to go. So see, we got exactly what I wanted. So now I'm just gonna be waiting. I'm probably just trading Russell today, to be honest, unless gold maybe pulls back to this demand zone. But yeah, I'm trying to catch a nice setup today. So it is Thursday, so let's just see. So yeah, I'm in that trade right now, pretty much. I'm on the micros because I gotta be careful with the risk, but it invalidated my demand and then went for just a breakout pretty much. But this is pretty clean. I'm up 700 right now on my personal, so I'm just scaling in. But 1-to-1's about to get hit. Entry was bad. I got interrupted, I ain't gonna lie, but I couldn't even do the math for the entry, so that was bad. But 1-to-1, pretty damn close. I think we can go for these highs right here. I'm not. Wow. Sometimes Topstep charts are off, so I don't know if we're at all-time highs, but we have everything we need to keep going. So. Oh, there we go. TP hit. It's obviously gonna hit TP. So I just gotta. I just wanna keep holding, bro. And there's TP. I'm gonna take one off. Oh fuck. Wait, I'm in on micros, I forgot. I'm up a band right now on the personal account.